Hello everyone, I'm Ojas and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So today we are going to make a simple hello world input and output program. So some of you might know what inputs and outputs are. Congratulations, you're officially smart. You can go to the timestamp that you can probably see on the screen. For those who don't know, input is basically when you give some information to your computer, and outputs is when the computer gives you the result. It's like heating something in the oven. You just put, say, a cold pizza in the oven to heat it up. You give it an input, and then it heats up the pizza, and then it gives you a hot pizza as the output. So now that you know what input and output is, we are going to start with our coding. First things first, I recommend you doing is changing the name of your project to hello world or whatever you like. And now the backdrop right here is pretty boring. I'm going to change that. If you don't want to, you do you. And this is a pretty good backdrop. I've chosen this. Now I want this cat right here, that is name sprite1. Now I'm going to first of all change the name. As you can see, I've changed the name to a cat. So I want cat to say hello when we start the program. To start the program, you simply click this go button. Now, starting a program is an event. So the block to start your program is in events. So when the green flag is clicked, when this flag will be clicked, it will trigger something. So we want our sprite to say something. Where do you think it will do that? Now I'm going to give you a moment. Think about it. If you need more time, you can pause the video and come back when you're ready. So if you chose looks, you are correct. So it is in looks. As you can see, the first block is say hello for 2 seconds. So it's going to say hello with an exclamation mark for 2 seconds when the green flag will be clicked. As you can see, it says hello. Now I want it to ask what's the name of the user who is using our program. So I want it to sense the name and store it. So how do you think we will do that? Think about it. Pause the video if you need to. And if you guessed sensing, you are correct. We have to sense the name. We have to store it as a variable. As you can see, we can ask a question to the user. What's your name? Now it's going to say hello for 2 seconds and then ask our name. Now nothing is going to happen until we put our name. But even when we put our name, nothing is going to happen because our program is going to end. Now after that, I wanted to say hello and then the name of the user that it's going to store. So this answer variable is not a variable, it's pretty similar to a variable. This block is where our answer will be stored. A variable is like a drawer where you keep some information in a computer, and this answer is a drawer in your computer where you can keep something. So it's for now it's going to keep whatever I type it in here. So I wanted to say hello space and the name of the user. So we have to join the two different words. The first is hello and the second is this answer variable. So it's going to be in operators. Operators have all the things related to maths, and this is also relating to maths. We are adding two things together. So we are going to use join. Then we are going to join answer with not apple but with hello. Now it will join hello plus the space, then the answer. But we're now going to see it. To see it, we have to make our sprite say hello plus whatever the viewer's name is. So again, we are going to go to looks and choose the same thing, and then we are going to put in this block. As you can see, this thing is circular, that thing is circular. You probably guessed that these two things can fit together. Now when we click, now let us see how our code works. First, let's just full screen this and then run. It says hello, then ask for my name. When I put my name in, it says hello and my name. So this was the pretty basic program. We learned about a little bit about variables, input and output. So that was it for this video, I guess, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.